I'm going to give you some quick tips on how to approach junctions and make them easier and safer. If you're learning to drive and sometimes struggle with junctions, then hopefully this video will help. Knowing the difference between an open junction and a closed junction is important. Closed junctions are common in a town. Your view of the road you're joining as you approach the junction is often blocked by houses, parked cars, and bushes, for example. Open junctions don't have any obstructions blocking your view as you approach them. A lot of big roundabouts are often open junctions. I'll talk you through the routine as I approach this open junction. I'm turning right at the end of the road. So I'll check the interior mirror, right hand mirror, signal, braking, observing, it's definitely safe, second gear, clutch up gently before emerging out, and a little gas. So for open junctions like that, if it's clear, slow down to about 10 to 15 miles per hour and emerge in second gear. But always definitely make sure it's clear and safe to go. A lot of accidents happen at junctions, so don't just look once, but keep double checking and look properly. Other drivers are sometimes not fully aware and can make mistakes. Try and anticipate them and stay calm. So on the approach to a junction, remember to check mirrors, signal, position, slow down, easy to see it's clear, so second gear. It's got a slight turn to the left, this one. Clutch up gently and emerge out with a little gas. You must always be ready to stop and then select first gear to go. Especially look out for motorcyclists and cyclists who are harder to see. Think carefully when to signal. Not too late, or if I signal too early here, then other road users might think I'm turning into this road. If it's difficult to see at the junction, then don't be afraid to lean forward in your seat to get a better view. And if you're unsure that it's clear, then never pull out and always stop. Let's have a look at closed junctions as they're a bit trickier. I'm turning right at the end of this road, and I'll talk you through every part of the approach to make it easier. From back here I can already see it's a closed junction. Buildings and parked cars will be blocking my view, so I know that I will need first gear. But that's going to be one of the last things to do after I've slowed down. Firstly, know what's around you by checking the interior mirror and right hand mirror. Signal right, position, normally just left of the centre line, but there's a parked car. Brake in, clutch down, a little left after the car, and first gear. Make sure it's definitely safe. Gas, biting point. Slowly raise the clutch with a bit more gas. Because of your speed, you will always need first gear for closed junctions. But with all junctions, be prepared to stop, but also ready to go. So just to recap, always first gear for closed junctions, but you can emerge out of open junctions in second, as long as it's definitely clear and safe. Check mirrors, signal, get in position and slow down. Slowing down gives you time to decide whether to stop or go. But bear in mind that the less you see, the slower you go, and always be prepared to stop. A common mistake new drivers make is approaching junctions too quickly. They then haven't got time to be prepared to go, and all they can do is stop. Sometimes unnecessarily if the junction is clear, which it wasn't this time. Approaching too fast might scare other road users, as they might not think you're stopping. You can also fail your driving test for approach speed. It's also common for a new driver to forget to change back to first gear if they've approached it too fast, as they haven't given themselves enough time to think through what they need to do. Don't forget though that you can only change down gears once you've slowed down. Let me show you another closed junction to help you remember the routine. The routine to remember is mirrors, signal, position, slow down, change gear, and then decide whether to stop or go. Bear in mind though that some junctions do have a stop sign and a stop line where you must stop, even if you think it's clear. Learn lots more and save money on your driving lessons by using our free online modules. You don't even need to register. There's a link in the description. Hope you found the video helpful. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give the video a thumbs up if it did help you. Thanks a lot for watching. As usual, keep safe on the road, and bye for now.